Alright, the CRV is back in the garage this week. Today we're going to be doing tie rod ends, lower ball joints, and wheel bearings. I say today, but I know it'll be a multi-day process, so let's get at it. There we go. I'm going to do the tie rods first. I'm going to get those out of the way. Those look good. Got the tie rod replaced. Now we're just going to work on getting this hub off, so we'll start with the brakes. Well, we have one side off. Passenger side is all off. Need to get the driver's side off, but there's a nut stuck on the ball joint, so we will let some PB blaster sink in, and then we'll, if anything, we might need to cut it off. So we'll see tomorrow. Let it sit overnight, and I tried it just a little bit. Might have gotten lucky, but we'll see. From there, we'll just need to press both the wheel bearings and the ball joints out. So once we get the other side out, we'll do that. All right. I'm glad I didn't have to cut that out. Okay, there we go. I'm sure you can hear that. Probably not the best. We got both the knuckles out. We'll probably do the wheel bearing first, and then we'll move on to the ball joints. We've got the hubs pressed out, or hammered out, however you want to say it. Tried to press them out, just wasn't working. So yeah, we're letting some PB blaster sink in for the snap rings there for the wheel bearings. While that's soaking, I'm going to get these bearing races off. So I'm going to toss those in the vise and get started on that. There it goes. That was kind of cool. So we got the wheel bearings out. These ball joints are not wanting to come out. If the PB blaster doesn't work overnight, I'll just go rent a ball joint remover from a parts store. Might go to Harbor Freight and just buy one. I've rented one 3 times now, so that might be my limit. If I have to rent it or borrow it so many times, I might as well just buy it. Went ahead and got it. Hopefully we'll be able to just pop these ball joints out, and then we'll move on to installing everything. Both the wheel bearings and ball joints are out now. So all that's left is to clean it up a little bit, clean these up. I'm going to clean all the snap rings up, take those over to the bench grinder, and then we'll put all the new parts in. Here's a little before and after. Just need to finish these two up, and then we should be good to put everything back together. they are. New wheel bearings and lower ball joints. Got the hubs all pressed back on and everything. All that's left now is to actually toss it all back in. After a quick test drive, everything feels great. We'll get it in for an alignment this week, and this thing will be pretty fun at the autocross events. So I can't wait to test it out.